In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Bookmarks are a simple way to make any PDF easier to navigate. They act like a clickable table of contents, letting you jump straight to the pages or views you care about. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set them up quickly and cleanly. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Once it's open, load the PDF you want to work with. You can double-click the file from your computer or open it from within Acrobat, whatever is fastest for you. Give the document a second to render so all pages are fully available. Now look to the far left side of your screen for the navigation pane. This is the vertical strip of shortcuts. You'll see several icons there, each opening a different panel. Find the Bookmarks icon. It looks like a small ribbon or flag. Click it to open the Bookmarks panel. If your panel area looks narrow, you can drag its edge to make it wider so your bookmark names are easy to read later. Before creating a bookmark, scroll through your PDF and move to the exact page, heading, or image view you want to capture. Adjust your zoom and position so the content appears exactly how you want users to see it when they click the bookmark. Bookmarks save the current view, so getting this right now saves time later. On the page, click and drag to highlight the section header text you want to use. Selecting the heading is optional, but it's a great shortcut. Acrobat will use that text as the suggested name for your bookmark, which keeps things consistent and readable. With the view set and the heading selected, go back to the Bookmarks panel and click the New Bookmark button at the top, the ribbon icon with a plus sign. A new entry appears, ready to be named. Type a clear, descriptive name, then press Enter to confirm. Short, meaningful labels work best, like Introduction, Methodology, or Appendix A. If you need to fine-tune the destination later, just navigate to the new view and update the bookmark from the same panel. Repeat the process to add as many bookmarks as you need, working your way through the document's key sections. Consistency is key. Use the same naming style all the way through. When you're done, save your PDF so the bookmarks are stored with the file. Use the Save command and wait a moment to ensure everything is written. That's it. Your document now has a clean, clickable structure that makes navigation fast and professional.